Welcome to another episode of Interior Artist. I'm Wayne. So today I'll be your only host, no striker or 美女, okay? So today we are located at Hougang. I'll be showcasing to you a 5-room HDB flat. Right as you step into the foyer, you're being welcomed by this shoe cabinet. So the color wise, we purposely choose a wood color to give out a little bit of warm tone, with a contrast of a neutral palette. At the bottom, we do up a recessed area for the owners to put their often sleepwears. We do up an open niche for the owners to put some decoration to beautify the foyer itself. So the window itself, wow, here very bright and airy, right? Okay, in order to let the light pass through, we do up a glass with a rippled design. So this one is actually to give the owner a little bit of privacy. So over here you can see, right, it's actually a segregation of a foyer to the living room itself. But however, I do up a storage cabinet over here to break off an odd shape of the unit, because behind here there's a little bit of curve. Okay, so let's move on to the living room. As you can see over here, for the flooring wise and the laminate itself, we are using the same color tone to create a cohesive flow throughout the whole house. So you see here got very big arc, right? On the left side and the right side. This is actually to do up a very gentle touch to the living room to create a big and airy space. Okay, our TV console are a little bit different from others. People do what, flip down door or drawers, all this. Ours different. So ours will be flip down, then slide out the whole thing, in order for our owners to go and reach for the power sockets. You see, ceiling wise, normally white color, right? So we actually use the same wall color to go and paint out on the ceiling to create illusion that the ceiling is much higher than usual. So if you're wondering why is there a door over here, so this unit itself has two entrances, one for fire exit, another one for the lift area. Okay, so this is a hidden door itself. Okay, so now we are at the dining area. As you can see here, there's a dry pantry, right? This dry pantry is for my owners to make some coffees or maybe teas in the morning itself. Over here at the doors, we add a little bit of aesthetic of shaker design. Okay, at the bottom, we bring a little bit of green essence. So now you're wondering, what kind of theme is this house, right? Okay, so this house is actually a mixture of Wabi-Sabi and Contemporary. And if you're wondering why here got one lobang, this one is for my owner's dog to sleep in one. Okay, so let's move on to the main bedroom. So you see, the main bedroom very big and cozy, right? Why? Because previously here got storeroom itself, so we hacked it down to extend the main bedroom to a longer one, in order to go and fabricate up an L-shaped wardrobe to store more clothing. Okay, so vanity, why is it over here, not inside the bathroom? So we go and bring it out over here so that the client can go and use to brush teeth, check themselves out, then after that go to bed. Sui, right? Okay, for bathroom wise, we are using lower doors to allow ventilation in and out. If not, normally people use acrylic. You open a door, wow, smelly. To add a little bit aesthetic to the bathroom, we are actually using subway tiles to create out the effect. To segregate the wet and dry area, we use a half-height wall with a mini arc shower screen over there. We purposely do open niches at the walls for them to go and place their shampoos, easier for them. Okay, so now we are at the kitchen itself. As you can see, for the floor wise, we are using wood slate tiles to bring up the flow of the vinyls from the house into the kitchen also. Okay, for tall unit wise, normally people do some built-in ovens or maybe open compartment for microwave, right? For us, a little bit different. We do a pull-out tray because people are using movable one. Okay, for tabletop wise, we are using sintered stones to wrap it up for easy maintenance, because sometimes when you cook, got oil going to spill until easy to clean if it's a tabletop material. Dishwasher. Don't want to do so much house chore, right? Smart person. Okay, dish rack wise normally on the top, right? For us, we cater it on the right side here. So you wash the cup, all this already, straight away put here. Don't need to raise your hands for short people like me. Okay, on the other hand, the washing machine is over here. So normally you'll go and cater space like for vacuum or maybe a laundry basket. So your dirty clothes, all this can straight away put inside. So we've come to the end of our house tour. Hope you all like our videos. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Signing off. Bye bye.